This mini-series is all about understanding the law of attraction and how you can use it to manifest the life of your dreams. In the first part, we looked into the science behind it. In this second part of the series, you will learn about the art of working with the law of attraction. Let's begin with a recap of the main points of the previous video. First of all, we are vibrational beings living in a vibrational universe. Therefore, it's important to understand the law of vibration. It states that only things within the same range of vibration can connect to each other. We feel our vibrations through our emotions, but the range of vibrations we have access to is related to our consciousness. I also mentioned that we live in a benevolent universe. There's a constant stream of well-being, a stream of life force energy flowing through everything. We are connected to this stream anyway, but we also can consciously connect to it to shift our vibration. You're the creator of your experience, and all your power is in the now. We all have this innate knowledge. It's part of who we are. It's the basis of your longing for freedom, for expression of self, for being who you are and having your desires fulfilled. You never really enjoyed if somebody else told you what to do, right? But over time and with enough pressure of those around you, you probably started to believe that their way is more valid than yours. Doubts and fears come up whenever you start even thinking about following the impulses from deep inside that don't match the way others are living. But no more. You are ready to claim your power back. Instead of creating your experience by default, you can make conscious choices and become a deliberate creator of your reality. Your thoughts are vibrating signals that attract matching signals back. The way you think about something determines how you feel. Recently, a friend who is working in a hotel told me about a guest. He came a little bit early and he had to wait until he could go to his room, and he was so upset about it. What a way to start his vacation. Other guests were just relaxed and waiting. So it's not the outside circumstances that determine your experience. It's what you think about it. It's how you're interpreting what is happening around you. When you focus your attention on something that makes you angry, you will automatically attract thoughts of the same vibration, more thoughts that make you angry. The more you think about it, the more you vibrate it, and the more you will attract things to be angry about. A momentum is created, and you get into this kind of downward spiral. This continues until you shift your focus. You think different thoughts and offer a different vibration. And that's what this saying is about. You probably heard it, that thoughts become things. There's so much negativity around us, in the news, in the people. We are easily drawn into negative thinking, simply matching their vibration. So in the beginning, it may take some effort to deliberately choose positive thoughts that lift your vibration. It may feel like swimming against the current, but actually you're reconnecting to the current of well-being, the natural flow of this powerful energy of who you truly are. You're getting into the flow, your flow. So the most important part of working with the law of attraction is practicing the art of allowing this stream of well-being to flow steadily and unrestricted into your life experience, to find a way to go with the flow instead of resist it. You can also consciously align to it to enhance the process of your manifestations, to bring them so much faster and easier into your life. Darkness is simply the absence of light. When you're in a room full of light, there is no dark switch that can make the light go away. It's the same with our sun. The sun is always shining, even if you can't see it because there are clouds hiding it. So when we disconnect from the flow of well-being, we experience disease, physical, mental, emotional. And reconnecting to it is healing. So the question is, how do you reconnect to this flow? You have to get into vibrational alignment with it. You have to allow it by consciously choosing thoughts that make you feel better, by believing that you are worthy of the well-being, of the happiness and all the good that you desire. No matter where you are and what your current life experience is, you can begin to open up to this stream of well-being. And also accept that it's a journey. Most manifestations don't happen instantly. But the more you are aligned and the higher your vibrational frequency, the faster your manifestations will happen. And it's not that the universe wants to hold anything back from you. It's more like a safety valve. Because the law of attraction doesn't differentiate between positive and negative, things that you want and things that you don't want. So imagine that all the thoughts you think, all the beliefs you have would immediately come true. Unless you're very centered in your heart and aligned with the flow of well-being, you would create so much chaos. You would be overwhelmed and not be able to handle it. So trust that everything is well and that everything is set up by the universe in the best way to support you. And also trust that you can have what you desire. Everything in this world comes with its polar opposite. Every problem comes with a potential solution. Every desire comes with a potential fulfillment. There is no way that you have any desire when it's not possible to be fulfilled. All you have to do is to align with the highest potential and do your part in the creation process here on the physical plane. The power is in the now. So working with the law of attraction, we want to make sure that we are feeling good in the now. Our mind tends to take us back into the past, thinking about all the things that didn't go well, or what we could have done better, where we missed out on something. Or it jumps ahead into the future, worrying about all the things that might go wrong, worrying about what might happen. But in the current moment, we are sending out these vibrations, and all too often they become a self-fulfilling prophecy. You may have heard people say that you have to control your thoughts in order to make sure that you don't have negative ones. But that's impossible when, according to scientists, 95% of our thoughts are unconscious. And although every single thought vibrates a signal, the law of attraction isn't about every single thought you have. So don't be afraid if a negative thought pops up in your head. It's about what you focus on, the thoughts you hold on to. So instead of trying to control your thoughts, become aware of your feelings. The better you feel, the more you're allowing the connection to the flow. Feeling bad is a signal that you're resisting the connection. You're blocking the flow. So as soon as you notice that you're feeling down, reach for a thought that makes you feel better. It's not possible to jump from feeling anger or worry to absolute joy and happiness, but you can always find something soothing, calming, uplifting. As soon as you shift your focus, you get out of this downward spiral. You stop the momentum. And your body also signals you if you're on the right track and in the flow. Whatever you're thinking about, pay attention if you feel a contraction or an expansion in your body. Contraction signals no, expansion signals yes. And it's the first impression that is important before your mind kicks in with the doubts and the worries. What is right for you feels right. It's this gut feeling, your inner knowing. Trust it. In the next video of this series, you will learn what you can do to speed up the manifestation process. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and ring my bell so you never miss another video. And let me know in the comments below what was your takeaway today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.